If vacuuming's supposed to make things cleaner, why is it such a dirty job? The dust cloud when you empty, or washing filthy filters and waiting for them to dry? So we created the Gtech Pro, the cordless vacuum with a bag, to make cleaning cleaner. Its optimized brush bar powers through everyday dirt and mess. And Gtech's unique airlock system cleans deep down. So no more bulky bags that rip. We've re-engineered the bag with 3 robust layers to trap the dirt. And the Gtech Pro's not just for your floors. This 7-in-1 vacuum transforms into a handheld for cleaning your stairs, upholstery and car. The extension tube gives greater reach, and the impressive mini power head removes stubborn debris in a flash. The cordless Gtech Pro. No more messy emptying, just high performance, cleaner cleaning. Order your Gtech Pro today.